Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create a professional thumbnail just like this. I'm going to guide you step by step, so make sure you watch the video until the end. First off, open Photoshop and create a new file with a size of 1920 by 1080 for the thumbnail design. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to create the background. You can find stock images like this on Freepik or Google. After placing the images, decrease the brightness to shift the focus to the main character. Now, we're going to use the main character image. This is an AI-generated image of Elon Musk. You can create similar images using Midjourney or Leonardo AI. It's really easy. Next, we'll do some masking on the background image. Now, let's enhance the main image by going into Camera Raw filters. Follow my steps. Once the image is enhanced, you can make your own adjustments, but this looks good to me. Now, we're going to add some glow. I've already created a glow style, but I'll show you the basics so you can recreate it. You can take a screenshot of the video and apply it yourself. Now, right-click and create a layer style. The style has now been separated into different layers, and we'll give it a more realistic look using masking. Now, let's add some glow to the background like I'm doing here. The thumbnail is almost ready. We just need to add the text. I already have the text style ready, so I'm not going to recreate it. But I'll show you the basics so you can make the same style. Now, place the text in the right spot Then press Shift plus Control plus Alt plus E to take a screenshot. Convert it to a smart object and go back into Camera Raw filters to give it an even better look. You can follow my steps or choose your own style. And that's it. The thumbnail is all ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thanks.